How to change name on Facebook. First, go to your Facebook account. Click on gear icon. Now tap on settings and privacy. Now click on settings. Now click on here. Now click on here. Now click on here. Now click on name. Now change your name. And click on review change. After clicking here, your Facebook name will be successfully changed.